Why cars from the USA are popular in Cambodia? Because of their low prices and wide selection. In this video, we'll break down the entire process of buying, delivering, and registering a car from the USA. What are the best cars to bring to Cambodia? Popular models include the Toyota Prius, Lexus RX, and Honda CR-V. It's better to choose cars with minimal damage to keep repair costs low. What to avoid? Major frame damage. Repairs are complex and expensive. Mechanical damaged vehicles. Hidden problems may arise. Cars older than 10 years. Higher customs duties. Cars from the USA you can purchase through platforms like Auto4Export. How to participate? Register on the Auto4Export website. Make a 10% deposit based on your maximum bid. For example, if you want to place a bid of $6,000, your deposit should be $600. Choose a car and make a bid. If you win, you have 48 hours to complete the payment. If you lose, you don't lose your money. Brokers like Auto4Export can also help you purchase new cars from US dealers. After purchase, the car is sent to a US port and then shipped to Cambodia. Delivery to the US port ranges from $200 to $1,000 and depends on the vehicle's location. Sea transport to Cambodia ranges from $1,500 to $3,000 depending on the port location and the type of vehicle. Delivery time, 4 to 6 weeks. What's the best shipping method? Ro-Ro, cheaper, but the car must be operable. Container, more expensive but safer for high-value cars. Once the car arrives at the port of Sihanoukville, it must go through customs clearance. 35% customs duty and 10% VAT. Excise tax depends on the engine capacity. After customs clearance, the car can be sent for repairs. If the car has minor damage, repairs will be quick and affordable. Let's calculate the final price of a car from the USA to Cambodia using the example of a 2018 Toyota Prius. The price of the car at the auction starts from $4,500. Delivery plus fees, $3,000. Customs plus taxes, $3,000. Repairs, $1,500. Total, $12,000. On the local market, prices start at $16,500, offering a savings of $4,500. Buying a car from the USA is a smart choice. Register now and enjoy your new car from the USA.